Yeah, we're on a particularly narrow part of the state highway here on the Remutakas, and we've got quite steep terrain here which is susceptible to landslides. In this case it's below the road. Due to the site here, we've had to restrict the road width down to one lane, and so we've currently got traffic lights in place with a stop-go arrangement. Due to allow the plant and equipment into the site, we've got a one-time crossing during the middle of the night. So we're closing the hill at approximately 9 o'clock in the evening and then reopening it again. By having one closure in the middle of the night gives us enough time to be able to do enough work to actually make it worthwhile, and that'll reduce the amount of time we're here. We really appreciate people's patience with this work. The sooner we can get it open for people, the better.